I'm very humbled and grateful that the justices of the Supreme Court have decided to hear my case again today.
This case comes from Texas, and the University of Texas at Austin uses race among many factors in filling about the last quarter of the slots in its freshman classes. It fills the rest of those seats through what's called a top 10 plan, where graduates from Texas high schools in the top 10% of their classes are guaranteed admission, and that's without consideration of race.
Like most Americans, I don't believe that students should be treated differently based on their race. Hopefully, this case will end racial classifications and preferences in admissions at the University of Texas.
So the white Texas woman who is challenging this plan was not admitted under either program. And she says that Texas gets sufficient diversity in its classes through the top 10 plan, which does not take account of race.
So to do it for reasons that are not compelling and are not established by the evidence and were not the basis of decision is inappropriate.
The university says, yes, we do get some diversity that way, but it's not enough. And we need this plan, which they stress uses race among many factors, to get more diversity and also a different kind of diversity.
Diversity fosters an understanding of one another, of our students, and with respect for their differences. I know this from the many conversations and observations I've had with our students in the recent weeks and days.
Abigail Fisher's case was first in front of the court in 2012 with a decision issued in 2013. So the fact that this case has attracted the justice's interest again, particularly 3 years after Abigail Fisher herself had graduated from college, suggests that particularly the conservatives on the court who have been skeptical about the use of race have something more they want to say.